Have your parents expired and you want to claim rights on a house for survival as a male, and you are not able to proceed further because your parents have expired without leaving a will, and you have brothers or sisters who are also fighting and you want to share in the property. And if you feel that you have to get the major share as a male, if you are continuing your generation further, you can approach the court. Let us assume that you are a male and you have sisters who are settled or not settled, but you want to claim the house as your own because you want to continue the generation. Because succession, as per Hindu Succession Act, is continuing the generation further, especially in terms of male lineage. The property revolves around four male generations. That is the rule of Lord Brahma. Because whenever a male child is born, he gives moksha to his great grandfather. So property should revolve around four male generations. Nowadays, there are a lot of fights based on illegal British laws which have been brought into this country. Uh, but let us cancel the illegal, stupid British laws and say that Indian law is the best, and Indians believe in moksha and all great things, or Hindu spiritual things. So, as a male, you can get rights on the property. You can there are some sections, let me recollect. Section 34, 35 of the Property Act, that's Section 34, 35 and 1963 Special Relief Act. Using these, that Section 34 of 1963 Specific Relief Act and Section 35 of Specific Relief Act of 1963, you can get things like permanent injunction and your right to stay in the house irrespective of what happens. You can move the court. You can tell the court that you want to declare the title in your name, especially if you're a male, whether you're married or unmarried, or whether you want to take care of the further lineage of the house or not. Why I have created this video is because there are lots of fights going on all over India where they're saying girls have equal rights on property of the parents. In the earlier days, because Manusmriti has started this, Lord Brahma's rule is Manusmriti has started this, that it has laid down the real rules that property will revolve around four male generations. And these idiotic British people have come into our country and have put illegal British laws into the country. English law is illegal, Indian law is only legal. The Manusmriti, the four male generations, the Lord Brahma's rule of dividing the property among sons, and the four male generations taking over the property, that is true Indian law. These are all British people have created very brutal laws so that a woman of this country become stupid and foolish, and they continue fighting by going to the streets and roads for property. That is what Westerners want. So let us break this, and let us open the eyes of those idiots, and let us get back the rules of Lord Brahma in the name of Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, and let us claim our property rights as males. Why I am not able to tell so much about this topic is because I am not an advocate, but I have seen so many places, especially here in Hyderabad and even in the south and all over India, where people are fighting, girls are fighting for property rights. They are falling on roads and streets, either visiting police stations, and they are creating a lot of violence by getting their brothers beaten up by gundas, politicians in India. And whenever a parent passes away, whenever a father passes away, generally if you go to an advocate, they'll say, oh, create a fake will in the name of your father that he has returned the house to you. and just settle it. That may work out, that must have worked out in a lot of cases, or that must have been challenged, such wills must have been challenged, but there's no need of any fake will or anything to be created. Just create the title declaration suit. Create a title declaration suit that you are the son of the house, you're taking the lineage forward, you will stay in the house and get it from the court and fight till you get your right. And if you are entitled to it, you will definitely get it. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you so much.